Hey guys, John here. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how you can share audio between two sources on your Apple TV. So the first thing you want to do is go into your settings and make sure that you have the latest tvOS version. So as of March 2024, the latest version is 17.4. And the second thing you want to do is make sure that you've paired some type of Bluetooth audio to your Apple TV at some point in the past. So in this case, these are all my devices that I've paired to my Apple TV before. Now, if you look at your remote, you're going to see this home button right here. Hold down the home button. It'll pop up on the top right corner of your screen. You're going to go down to this option here, which is your audio option. And on the screen, you see a list of different headphone options. So right now, the Apple TV is paired to my AirPods Pro. I want to pair it to my AirPods Max as well so that two people can listen in on what's going on the TV at the same time. So I just select that option. And now you see that the Apple TV is paired to two audio sources. So I can still control each one of these AirPod volumes by themselves. But if I go out of my menu, you can see that it's shared. So if I lower the volume or raise the volume, it's actually going to lower and raise both of the AirPods at the same time. So this is really great if you have two people that are watching a movie wearing AirPods and they want to listen in on the same time.